All right, hey guys, if you don't have access to a printer, I'm going to show you how you can download a Google Doc as a PDF and write on it just like you were writing on a piece of paper, and then also how you can take that PDF and resubmit it in an email or through Google Classroom. Okay, so first of all, just so you know, this doesn't work on all computers, but if you have a touchscreen Chromebook, it should work for this process. Okay, so let's get started. If I have this activity here, some activities I can go ahead and type my answers in and I'm good to go, but on this one I see I have number lines, so I'm going to need to draw, and I can't do that on this Google Doc just as it is. So I want to download it as a PDF, so to do that I'm going to go File, Download, and then select the PDF document. When I do that, it usually takes a couple seconds, but over in this bottom right corner I see that it downloaded, and I can click Show in Folder to access that download. If you don't have that pop up on your computer, you can swipe up on your toolbar, go to all of your applications, and locate your blue file folder here. Okay, when you do that, you're going to see all the files that are downloaded to your computer. So right here in my downloads, that's where it went. It was standard 5 review activity, so I'm going to go ahead and open that up. It's going to open it in a tab in my Chrome browser, and now I can see that I just have a PDF document of the assignment. In my top right, there's a pencil icon here that says Annotate on it. That's the one that we want to use. That's going to allow us to draw and highlight right on top of this PDF document. So I have a pen tool here. I can change the color. I can change the thickness. If I need to highlight, I can do that, or I have an eraser tool. So here I can go ahead and I can go through. I can write whatever I need to write in for my assignment. Okay, when I'm done with my assignment, you need to make sure to go ahead and re-download it with your writing on it. So to do that, you're going to click the download right here with the arrow down, and you need to download the edited version. That's the one that you drew on. When the window pops up, you're going to want to rename it. So in front of the name of the file, go ahead and put your first name or last name there, just so we know whose it is. You're going to click save, and that's going to download it back to your computer. Then in an email, you can type up your email here. To attach it, you're going to click on the paperclip here that says attach files. This is because this PDF is now saved on your computer. It's not saved in your drive, so we're not going to insert a file using the drive. We're going to insert it from our computer. So attach files. You're going to relocate it. So again, mine was in my downloads. It's the one with my last name. If I'm on it right here and I want to make sure it's the correct document, I can hit the space bar and it will load a preview of it. I see my writings there, so I know it's the correct one. So then I can go ahead and click the back arrow. I'm going to open it, and that's going to attach it to my email so I can send that.